What is happening, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Hope you're having an amazing day today. Happy Monday. We've got some cool things in this video for y'all, especially if you are a left-handed fisherman or fisherwoman. Guys, right now up on the website, we've got Voltic. This is the brand new digital casting system from Abu Garcia. These have been tested quite a bit, not only by myself, a lot of other anglers that I know, and all the reviews point to a really, really good buy. Now this one right here in this hand, this is the SX, so this is about $250, $249.99, $249.95, whatever it might be. The other one right here is going to be the X series, so right at $200, $199.95. Whatever it is, guys, these are exceptional bangs for your buck. And another one in that class that we do have in left-hand available right now, because I know a lot of y'all that are left-handed always complain to me, why don't you have more left-handed? Well, there's not that many of y'all out there, so we typically do order few less of them, you know, when we do our ordering, just so we don't have 100 of them sitting back here. But we do have left-hand EDC 7 speeds currently in stock, and the Voltics, they are both 7 speeds as well, left hand. So all the right hands, again, we order more of those. They typically sell faster. We've got left hands in stock for y'all. So if you're looking for incredible digital casting style reels, these are the ones to definitely try out. Now, the Voltic SX and X, again, there is a little bit of a price difference. Frame's going to be very similar, smoothness very similar. You're going to get a lot lighter reel out of the SX, so the more expensive model. One of the main things that I do like about the EDC from the Baits Fishing is going to be the overall frame design. It's a little bit lower profile, it's a little bit shorter. In terms of line capacity, you're going to get a little more line capacity out of the EDC, and you're also going to get a much quieter casting system than the X, as well as some of the competitors like the Corrado or SLX DC. So those are some of the quick rundown differences. We've also got an amazing deal going on. I've got these basically brand new white tip pros from Costa. It's actually a discontinued model, so we're letting these go right now up on the website. Just this one pair, green mirror plastic lenses for $80. Make sure to go check out this hot buy. Not going to last long. I do have it up on the story ready to go. You're going to get all the same paperwork. You're going to get the glasses. You're going to get the cleaning cloth. $80 white tip pros up on the website right now. Speaking of stuff on the website right now, Bubba scales, these guys right here are absolutely incredible and super, super accurate when it comes to weighing your fish. The Bubba Pro Series specifically is a staple in my boat. I won't go anywhere without it. It reads the weight of the fish so accurately when it comes down to ounces or, you know, decimal points, thousandths of a pound. This will get that extremely, extremely accurate reading. Time and time again, on the water, on land, doesn't matter. This is a staple in my boat, Tim's boat, John's boat. Everyone I know is switching over to these guys right here because they are so good. Also, the colored LCD screen, as well as connecting to your phone, makes it even more incredible. It's hard to beat this guy right here, so make sure to go check him out. Bubba Pro Series Smart Fish Scale. And I do want to remind y'all, Ryugi item bags, item bag doubles, back in stock. We got all 3 colors, black, white, and green. Lots of cool things going on with that. And I want to let y'all know, quad hooks are reordered from Ryugi, and we can't wait to get those because the last batch we got sold out in about 2 days. So tripled our order, so hopefully they'll last more than 2 days. And I will definitely let y'all know when those hit the website, but you have to be following the social media, Instagram or Facebook, for that current drop time. And speaking of drops, we have a drop this week. We've got the 6.8 Bellows Shad going up on the website on Wednesday, the 20th at 10:30 Central Time. So typical drop time, guys. 6.8 Bellows Shad. This is a collaboration bait between the Homeless Fisherman and Alton Jones Jr. Of course, Alton Jones Jr. made that Bellows Shad profile a little bit skinnier than the gill, a little bit longer here and there. And Marshall, of course, loves to swim baits, bigger baits like that, also headed up the G Crazy. So really cool collaboration bait between those two guys and G Crack, and can't wait for y'all to get your hands on those. Now, speaking of other cool things happening this week, this weekend coming up, or Monday of next week, is Memorial Day. So we will be closed here at the shop. And what that means is we're going to run a little bit of a special for y'all. So no code necessary on the website starting on Thursday. This Thursday, we are going to be running a buy one, get one 20% off promo on the website. Make sure to go to lakeprotackle.com, and it is going to include rods and reels. So buy one rod or reel and get another rod or reel 20% off. So very cool. Make sure to go check it out. Some exclusions do apply, and really cool stuff. So, you know, you can stock up on a new rod, new reel, combo it together, 2 rods maybe. Find what you need, guys. Memorial Day promo for y'all. Greatly appreciate you watching, liking the video, subscribing if you're new, and we'll see you next time here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.